How's it going, guys? Today I'm working on a 2019 Accord 1.5T, and I'm doing the intercooler charge piping resonator delete, which is this part number right here from TurboSmart. This is plug. Basically, you're going to be taking out the intake. I already did that. Then this is the resonator you're deleting. It goes like this in the car. Sorry, like this. So you have one screw, two, 3 10 millimeters, and then a clamp for this. Actually pulled back the shield over here, and I got it through here. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. It's pretty simple, nothing to it. The hardest part, I guess, would be taking out the air box, especially if it's the OEM one. It's kind of a pain, but also I've removed this charge piping so I could get the resonator through easier. You don't have to, but why force it, you know? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.